Appreciate that.
I can't believe I just fucking pissed you. That is actually so wild.
This man's talking about a piece, bro. Get on my shit, bro. Man's talking about a freaking piece. Bro, let me try this scary game again, bro. Can this scary game please work, bro? Please work. Please. 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 Bro, it's still not even working, bro. Chat, let's see if it works. This nigga sent me a virus! Hey, Slaps, come here! Slaps, come here! He sent me a virus! Slaps, come here! Slaps, come here! Slaps! I got a virus! Shit! Motherfuck! Send me a motherfucking virus, a rat! He sent me a fucking rat! Hey! Slaps, come here! I got a fucking rat on my computer! God damn it! Hey, Slaps! Oh my god! He sent me a fucking rat! God damn it! That's why I'm listening to my fans, bro! God damn! Oh my gosh! He sent me a goddamn rat! Yo, Slaps! What the fuck, bruh? My god, bruh! Oh my gosh! Bro, he hacked my computer, bruh! Damn it! Bro, Slaps, bro, my fucking computer is fucking ratted! God damn! Oh my gosh! Wait, is it fixed? Chat, is it fixed or no, bruh? God damn! I'm deleting that shit. Bro, I got a rat on my computer. Yo, Slips. This shit just hacked my computer. What do I do? Shit just hacked my computer, bruh. Do I just delete it?
Bro, what the fuck did you open?
I don't know, bro. Bro, they sent me this game.
Click it again.
No, I'm not clicking it again.
Click it again, bro.
I'm not clicking it again.
Click it again.
Bro, I'm deleting this shit, bro. Chat, how do you delete it? No, I'm not, bro. I promise it's gonna fuck with my computer, bro.
Click it again, bro.
I can't click it again, bro. Look, it's a rat. See? See?
Want to play a game?
What the fuck? No! What the fuck? That was actually scary.
Is that it?
Wait, that was actually scary.
It's a fucking scam, dude. It's not even a game.
John Port calling you? Click it again?
Dude, I gotta take this, bro.
Alright.
What the fuck?
Warning, loud noises, creepy stuff. Wait, is this part of the game? Or is it just glitch? What the hell? The laborer. What the hell? I don't like this. China, bro, I ain't yo, you not hell nah. I don't like this. I don't like this, chat. I like this. Chat, I think this is a fake version. Chat, I think this is a fake version. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my gosh.